Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to use TikTok Duets. So a duet basically will create a split screen of whatever video you want to duet with. So for example, we've got this one here at the bottom. You'll see on the right hand side a bunch of icons, and there's a share icon. It's the little arrow. We're going to tap on this, and all the way at the bottom you'll see a bunch of gray icons. Now if you just scroll, you will see Duet. Let's go ahead and tap on it. Look at this. It gives me access to my camera. Okay, now I'm taking a video of my video. That's crazy. All right, so now we can see on the right hand side that there are a few options. So we can swap our camera around. We can also go ahead, put our flash on, add a timer. You can switch these views. You can put your microphone on, or you can, of course, record audio. This button over here will allow you to change what you look like, and then we have filters as well. You can also change how your layout looks. All right, and once we're done, we are going to record our video. So let's just say, for example, we're going to record this video just like this. Awesome. Let's just say stop. Here you can change the speed as well. Tap on the check mark, click on next, and here you can then prepare your video and click on post when you're done.